Like, if anybody try to come to me with some BS, she not playing. She not going for it, okay? She means pretty business, okay? Not just regular business, but the pretty business.
Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you that?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Octavia, aka Double O Styles, y'all. I'm out of breath because I'm in a good mood. And I was dancing to release all the happiness and stress that might be locked in there. Today, we're doing another Outre wig, y'all. I'm so excited because it reminds me of one of my wigs I used to call my Beyonce Crimple wig. I'm going to have a link below so y'all can see it and check it out. We're doing a lace front Outre wig called Arlena. And she's 26 inches. It's time to show out with the 26 inches. That's near 30 inches, baby. That thing gonna be all the way down to the booty meat. Okay? The color we have today is DRFF Sunkissed Brown. And she is an HD transparent lace. And she comes in several colors, okay? So if you're not interested in the color I have, baby, there's options. But I'm sure you're not gonna be disappointed with this 26 inches. Okay, and every time I get a new wig, I feel like I gotta go somewhere, so I don't know where I'm gonna go. But if I look as good as I think I'm about to look, baby, you better find somewhere to take me. Okay, even if we going to get something to eat. This one right here got some nice crimples in it, and it's giving Mona Lisa. Is this giving Mona Lisa? Maybe I need to check out a picture of Mona Lisa so I can remember. It's giving something, cause look at the deep waves. Look at the deep waves. That thing is deep. And I love how the color right here in the front and the rest of the color like near the back. I love those type of wigs. This is how she looks. That's how she looks. These are the colors on the back. And as you can see, the waves is waving, baby. The waves are waving. Are you gonna wave back? Yeah, I think I am. Okay, so this is the inside of our wig. As you can see, we only have one part, okay? This is our center part. This is the lace that we're gonna cut. And these are the combs, the two combs in the front. And the one in the back. This is the hair, once again, very pretty. Very soft on my arm. You see it spreading out, it's still giving you all the waves that. We probably don't even deserve this much good waves, but baby, I deserve it at the end of the day. These have cute little baby hairs in the front. Let's go ahead and cut this, and let's get to work. So as I'm putting this on, I realized I ain't gotta spray no glue. So guess what I'm gonna do? I ain't spraying nothing, okay? But what we gonna do right here, we're gonna fix this part because this part is definitely a big no, okay? Okay, so let's get into this. So this how it looks right here with the foundation in it. But we gotta blend that thing, make it look way more presentable. And brush it. And I'm going to go on top of here and brush in between too. Let's put her back on. As you can see already while I'm putting this on, the part is way better than before. It's coming out a little bit better. It's still looking a little wide right here because it's some on the hairs. Let me see. I'm going to spray a little of this spray to keep it back black. Okay. And then I'm going to move this side and rub it a little bit over here. Where are my baby edges? Where are my baby edges? I don't know where my little baby edges at, but honestly, those edges were just a little bit of edges. So I'm just gonna try to cut it on my own. Aren't we shocked that I'm gonna cut it on my own? Because normally I don't cut it on my own. I just do what it do. But how am I ever get better if I don't go ahead and learn myself? Now, bring the hair to the front, and we gonna brush it out. Confidence obviously growing. The waves are still giving. I really love this color in the front, and I just love how it like goes into that darker brown color. This is literally my favorite feature right now. Other than the waves and the body that it's giving, this color in the front is doing a lot for me right now. It's definitely taking my confidence to new levels. Okay. Let me turn to the back. Let me turn to the back so y'all can see. This is cute! This is cute! I look expensive. Yes. 26 inches of Arlena. Blow that wind. Blow the wind. Tell me guys what you think in the comments. Let me see what other wig I probably would get. That DRFF2 / ginger copper. That one, I think that one has the orangish in the front. And it goes to a auburn copper color in the back. Baby. That one too might be the one. That might be the one. Cause judging off of how it look right here. Where's that? You see, I can't stand when y'all can't see the thing because the light's so freaking bright on the thing. Right here. Orange, copper. That one gonna be fire. All of them fire, but I really like the ones with the color in the front. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. I really don't know what else to say. Like, get it is all I can say. So thank you so much for watching. Shout out to Outre for another beautiful do. I can't wait to rock it, and I can't wait for y'all to see my pictures at the end. So make sure y'all look for the pictures at the end. Okay? I'll see you folks later.